Let me show you how to make the ultimate comfort food, hot dog fried rice that's better than any takeout and ready in minutes. This is the kind of simple, satisfying meal that everyone loves. Start by heating just a bit of oil in your pan. Crack in 3 eggs and immediately scramble them into soft, fluffy cuts. That quick cooking keeps them tender rather than rubbery. Add diced hot dogs. That smoky, savory flavor is what makes this dish special. Toast in colorful bell peppers and carrots for freshness and crunch. Keep everything moving until the vegetables just begin to soften. Now for the star, cold day-old rice. That slight dryness is actually perfect because it separates easily and absorbs all the flavors without getting mushy. Break up any crumbs and watch as each grain gets coated in all the goodness. Season with a pinch of salt and a good splash of soy sauce. That combination enhances everything without overpowering. Finish with fresh scallions for that final burst of aroma and color. What you get is pure comfort in a bowl. The familiar smokiness of hot dogs, the fluffy eggs, the slight crunch of vegetables, and that perfect fried rice texture that makes every bite interesting. This isn't just food, it's memories in the making.